Hello guys, this is God's Power. So today I'm going to show you step by step how I make money online with free Bitcoin. So how I make money online with free Bitcoin. So how I get free Bitcoin online and how I transfer the free Bitcoin and withdraw it into my bank account. So I will show you step by step how everything works, and I will explain them to you too, so that you understand how you can go and apply the strategy and use this method. So today I'm going to show you how you can make money online, how you can get free Bitcoins online. So if you are that type of person who is willing to make some free money online, but this way is just all about Bitcoin, so you need to watch it to the end. I will show you step by step how you can make money with free Bitcoin. So to get started, what you just need to do, hello guys, if you don't know me, my name is God's Power. As you can see on my YouTube channel here, all I talk about is how you can make money online. There's a lot and a bunch of video that you can use to start making money online. So before we get started, you need to click the first link on the description that will take you to the website that you can use to make money. So when you click on the first link, it will take you to this my blog, which is this my blog page here. So what you need to do, I have created a blog for this particular website. So what you just need to do is to scroll down, and as you can see, there's a lot of bunch of websites here. You can choose any one that you want to start using, but it's free Bitcoin want to start using, which is Cryptotab. So click on this one that say Cryptotab. As you can see, Cryptotab here, then you need to click on this part here. Once you click on Cryptotab, it will take you to the next page where you have to sign up. So all you just need to do, once it open, all you just need to do here is to sign up with your email. So all you just need to do is to sign up with your email. So that is what you need to do from here. So after you have signed up, I will explain some things to you. So as you can see, they will try to show you, they will try to explain things to you and to make you to understand how crypto works, like to give you instruction and everything. But there's no need of doing that. I will explain everything to you. So this is a Cryptotab browser. This browser allows you to get some free Bitcoin online. So you install this Cryptotab browser on your smartphone or on your computer, and um, you can start using the software by just signing up your email. So you just need to sign up only your email. You don't need to enter any other information. Enter your email and they'll send you a verification email, and you will receive an email from them, and you can go and verify your account. So once you have verified your account, you have to come back and open the tab, make sure it's open, and make sure you have your internet connection, and leave it on. Let it to run in your computer background or on your smartphone background, and you'll be making money for completely free. I know you'll be wondering, what is this method of mine making money? It's called mining. Crypto this method is a free way that you can mine. You mine crypto, mine Bitcoin. So if you're that type of person who is willing to get some free Bitcoin online, so this is a best way of how you can make money with free Bitcoin. So as you can see here, you see try Cryptotab, the world first browser with mining feature in Bitcoin without looking up from watching video, chatting, or gaming online. Join the community of more than 20 million users all over the world already enjoying Cryptotab browser. Yeah, that is how they work. And if you scroll down, you will see multiple things that they are telling you that you can use to make money. As you can see here, you can see it's available on Windows, it's available on your Android, and it's available on your iOS, which is Apple Store. So you can just go and install it. It's very simple. So how it works, first you need to make sure you have your internet connection. It is an incredible lightweight and fast browser. So it's very simple. It's not kind of a hardware that can harm your device. It's completely free, and it doesn't have any harmful things on this website. I've been using it for about, let me say, 5 years now. So as you can see here, it's here booty mining. You can see that they have a lot of feature, which is Bitcoin. And as you can see, you can even refer friends to this program, and you get paid, and you can contact customer support, and you can contact their customer support, and they'll reply you as soon as they see your message. So the way you can make money is by watching video from the Cryptotab browser, and you can watch video, and you can leave you can um allow this website to run in your computer on your smartphone background, and you'll be making money. And you can boost your any too. You can boost your any. You can see here what they are trying to tell us, that we can use this Cryptotab from. We can use it on Google Chrome. We can from Google Chrome to install it, and then we can start using it as a Google Chrome. This platform is just like a Google Chrome. You know Google Chrome, when you use Google Chrome, but Google Chrome doesn't pay you money for using them. Chrome doesn't pay you any money for using it, for using their browser and everything. But this platform, which is called Cryptotab browser, they pay you for using their browser. So you browse online, you get paid for just doing that. So that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. And you will enjoy this method of making money, because as you can see, it's available on tablet, it's available on your computer, and it's available on your smartphone. So all you just need to do is to go and install this software and start using it. I hope you are following me and you are understanding how everything works. So let us go back to my account. So once you have logged in on your account, this is how it will look like. You see it will be mining. As you can see currently right now, I have $2 and almost 70. I have $2 and almost 70 cents currently right now, because I'm cashing out every time. As you can see currently right now, I have 235 people that is I have referred to this program, which is, even if I don't work, I work, I'm making money. So more I refer people, more I'm making more money. As you can see, this $2 you see here, I did not work anything. It's people that I refer, it's through them I earn this $2. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. You can upgrade to the pro. They have a pro version. You can upgrade to the pro. Let me show you. If you want to upgrade to the pro, you can click on here. You will see Clark Boost. So they will tell you that if you boost your Cryptotab account, your earning will multiply. Let me say, if you are earning 1%, you'll be earning 2%. So they have different way that you can multiply your earning. So let me open it and let you, so that you will see how it works. So once you click on it, it will ask us to log in. So first, let us just log in on our account first. So to boost your account like we did before, just click on it again, because I have logged in right now on my account. So once you click on it, it will take you to another tab immediately. So you just need to be patient. It will open properly. So what you need to do is to enter your email here, and enter your email, click on next. So once you click on next, you click on next again to log in. So once you have entered your email, just with the same email that you used to sign up on Cryptotab. So once you have logged in, then you have to go back to your Cryptotab browser again. Let's go back to our Cryptotab browser. As you can see here, you will see at the bottom, it will ask you to activate. As you can see here, you can select which one you want to use. So as you can see, with this one, you are going to pay crypto. You are going to use your balance to upgrade your account if you want to. I'm just showing, let me see. If you want to upgrade your account, you can do that, and you'll be making a lot of money. Like your earning will become ×2. As you can see, ×2, ×5, ×10, ×15. So all you just need to do, select which of the upgrading Ultra, if it's Ultra or Pro or Basic or Elite. So you can choose anyone, and you can just start. You can, so that your account will be activated to the Pro one, which of the Pro one you want to start using on this making money online with Bitcoin. So if you don't want to use it, just cancel it and make sure you rely on the free one, which is the one I'm using. I'm not paying anything. I'm just making money for completely free. I'm just showing you that. Let me see if you want to invest on it. So that is it if you want to invest. But as you can see currently right now, you can see how much I've earned. As you can see, any by me is €1, and any by mining network, as you can see, $39. And as you can see, for the click, CB is click balance. As you can see, there is nothing, is 00, because they have a click balance, which is where you shrink a URL, and when somebody click on the URL, you get some commission. So as you can see, $49 for the total affiliate earning. And if you come to this part that say affiliate, if you come to the past, click on affiliate dashboard, it will bring you to the affiliate dashboard. As you can see here, affiliate dashboard, the total earning from the affiliate, as you can see, I've earned $41.26 and 226 cents, as you can see there. So that is how much I've earned. You can see earning by me, and you can see current balance, which is here, and you can see which is $2. So that's it. And if I want to withdraw, I can just click on the withdraw button, and I can withdraw my money into my whatever crypto wallet account or Bitcoin wallet account that I have. So which is what I will show you at the end of this video. So all you just need to do is to scroll down, and here is your URL. You copy your URL, send it to your friend on WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, any type of place that you know that link is allowed to be shared. Go and share this link with your friends or people that you don't even know. When they sign up through your link, you will make some commission, lifetime commission. This is not just one day commission, but lifetime commission. So that is how it works, guys. It's very, very simple. I hope you learned something from making money with this method. Don't forget, what I said is working on your smartphone, and it is working on your Apple iPhone, and is working on your Windows computer. So all you just need to do now is to go and start using Cryptotab and start making free money online. I hope that you understand how I make money with this Cryptotab browser. So it's very simple. Go and install it on your computer and start using it. Go and install it on your smartphone and start using it. Go and install it on your iPhone and start using it to make money. I hope that you learned something from this. If you learned something, don't forget again, smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So to cash out your money, you need to go and create your account from Coinbase. So you need to go back again, click on that same link you click on the beginning, click on the link. And once you click on the link, you need to go to the section that's on the same blog. You will go to a website which is called Coinbase. Let us look for Coinbase on this from my blog, my website. Okay, yes, this is Coinbase. So click on it, click on visit site. So once you here you click on visit site, it will take you to Coinbase account website. So here you are going to create your Bitcoin wallet account. So you create an account here, and you can now copy your URL from your Bitcoin from your Coinbase account, and copy your Bitcoin address here, and you can go back to Cryptotab browser. And once you have copied your Bitcoin address, you click on withdraw. Let me say, for example, you want to withdraw your money. Click on withdraw, and here you enter your Bitcoin address. So enter your Bitcoin address here, you enter it, you paste it, and once you have pasted it here, you enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. If it's everything, just click on everything, and you will withdraw all the total amount of you have on your Bitcoin Cryptotab browser account. So you can click on here to withdraw everything, and everything will be added to your payment amount. And here you can see that they will take 0.00001 Bitcoin from you for the transaction fee. And once you are okay with that, you come here, you click on not a robot, and you click on withdraw, and the money will be sent to your Bitcoin wallet. So that is how you can withdraw your money from Cryptotab account and from the Cryptotab account. So that is it, guys, and we'll come to the end of this video. I hope that this way or this method helps you a way on how you can make money for completely free from Cryptotab browser. So I'm going to end the video from here. I will say thank you very much if you watch it to the end of this video. And again, don't forget again, smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you find it difficult to create an account or to use crypto, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. If there is something I didn't go through, you want me to go through it for you and make a video about that, leave it too in the comment section below. I'll say thank you very much from here, and peace. See you soon a way on how you can make money online, and bye bye. Peace.